Hey everyone, welcome back to HAAWK Junction. Have you ever struggled to find the right words to describe a breathtaking view or a stunning work of art? Today, we are going to explore the amazing world of words that describe beauty, and I'm excited to share some of my favorites with you. So let's start. First is physical beauty. Physical beauty refers to the aesthetically pleasing or attractive qualities of a person's external appearance. You can describe it as stunning, gorgeous, attractive, lovely, exquisite, elegant, radiant, luminous, vibrant, captivating.
You look exquisite.
Next is inner beauty. Inner beauty refers to the intangible, non-physical qualities that makes a person attractive and beautiful from within. You can describe it as graceful, charming, alluring, enchanting, warm, genuine, kind, compassionate, intelligent, wise.
Successful, alluring, and irresistible.
Next is natural beauty. Natural beauty is the visually stunning and awe-inspiring aspects of the natural environment. You can describe it as breathtaking, picturesque, serene, tranquil, majestic, awe-inspiring, stunning, dramatic, panoramic, idyllic.
Typical human reaction to an idyllic natural setting.
Next is artistic beauty. Artistic beauty is the harmonious combination of form, color, texture, and composition that creates a visually stunning, thought-provoking, or emotionally resonant work of art. You can describe it as masterful, elegant, refined, exquisite, intricate, delicate, vibrant, expressive, dynamic, captivating.
I love captivating things.
Last one for the day is emotional beauty. Emotional beauty refers to the captivating and transformative qualities of human emotions, experiences, and connections. You can describe emotional beauty as moving, touching, heartfelt, sentimental, nostalgic, poignant, evocative, haunting, uplifting, inspiring.
Poignant, hilarious, a roller coaster of emotion.
That's all for today. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.